how to create a counted calendar in Airtable. So first, go to Airtable, and then here you just need to click on calendar here at the left. Now next is just need to name your calendar. So I'll just name this calendar 1, and you can choose among these options here if whether who can edit it. So I'll just choose collaborative here, and just click on create new view. Now here you just need to choose a date field. So you can create a new date field. So let's create a new one. So let's name your date field here, field name, and you can, as for the date format, you can choose the local. I'll just use local. And if you want to include the time, of course you can do that. You can toggle this on. And as for the time format, you can I'll just select 24-hour. And for the time zone, you can also select that to on if you want. And if you want to display the time zone, you can do that. And of course the default option, we just need to, of course we need to make sure that the calendar is for the current date. So once you're done, you just need to click on create field and click on done. And here, so you can see now you just created a content calendar here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.